Okay, let's take a start. How often do you spend time or meet your family members?
Honestly, I'm spend more time with my family. I spend more time with my family because I consider that family plays the prominent role for us and always boosts our confidence level, how to speak and relate with among our friends.
All right. So, how often do you spend time with your family? Still unanswered. Say, I spend all the time with my family because most of the time I am home. I don't go anywhere, so I spend all the time. On the other hand, I especially spend weekends with my family. You talked about about the importance of spending time with family. Focus the question.
Yes.
Let's go on. How do you usually spend time with your family? How means activities. Yes.
Uh, I usually free on weekends.
I usually get free on weekends.
Get free on weekends. I hang out with my family on weekends like Sunday, and we play cricket together and also share our ideas and information. And we also cooking.
We also cook.
Cook together.
All right. Do you want to live with your family in the future?
Honestly, now I'm planning to go abroad and just for temporarily, and inshallah when I'll come back and I will live with my family.
Will you come back? You will come back with a new family, Nyane and all that, huh? Yeah, then say, John, this is your grandfather. John will say, all right, daddy. So, okay, that's fine. All right. Are you close to all of your family members?
I'm certain about it. I always close with my family members, especially close with my father.
I'm close to my father.
I'm close to my father, and he always give me advice. Gives me advice and boosts my confidence level related to my studies, and also tell me about his success story, and also guide me how to achieve your goals.
Good. Do you prefer to spend time with your family or friends?
Sir, I think friends and family have both important in your life. But
both are important in your life.
Both are important in your life, but I prefer my family for a hangout. And
I prefer my family to hang out.
On the other hand, sometimes I prefer to hang out with my friends.
Now, listen, prefer, hang out. You're repeating these words again and again. So for hang out, you can say I go outdoors or I go outside. For prefer, you say it is my preference.
I like the indoor activities with my family. And on the other hand, I outdoor activities with my friends.
All right. That's fine. No repetition. Come up with new ideas and don't repeat one word 2, 3, 4 times. Okay?
Sure, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.